hand. So cheddar cheese is getting grated in our lovely grater. You gotta be really careful that you don't get your fingers in the grate. And then we have our mashed potatoes that we did the other day with our, put some cheese on top and stuck it in the microwave or the toaster oven. And I have a pound of ground pork here from Yoder's. And then I have my sauteed mushrooms and garlic over here in olive oil and butter. The griddle is getting hot. And these are going to be our buns today. St. Pierre 4 brioche burger buns. These are really good buns. Not bad. Oh, and we have some provolone cheese I picked up at Whole Foods the other day. So that's going to be our lunch. And I'll be back when we've got it all put together. Okay, so I have this Pampered Chef weight here for meat tenderizer. And it's perfect for squishing down my patties to make them a smash burger. Look at that. You can even make pork smash burgers. You don't have to stick with just beef. So you can get ground pork at Yoder's Meats over in Shipshewana. You can get ground pork at Jake's Meats. You can order it online, pick it up in different places. You can go to their meat shed up north of Cassopolis on Decatur Road. And you can also get ground pork at All Clear Meats. And I'm sure there's other farms that have ground pork. And you can even get, I think, at Purple Pork Co-op. Hebron Farms, if they're still going in there, they got good pork, ground pork. So anyways, that's it. Right. So it's a continuation of the video. I've got my pork burgers on there, my smashed pork burgers. The other part of the 1 pound of pork I'm browning up because I'm going to put it in a pork fried rice for this week. Because I got pineapple to use up and bell peppers, so I got to do up some rice, and I'll have the meat portion there. And I got butter on the bun, and the potatoes are looking pretty cheesy in there. So this is the way to cook. You want this today, but you need something else. You always have to think ahead of time, and that way you don't spend a lot of time in the kitchen. We came in here about 1 o'clock. Mike grated all the cheese. We put the potatoes in the oven. I got the mushrooms all done. The pork's just about done. And then this will be for tomorrow, which will end up being for like Tuesday, and then maybe Thursday we'll have it. So maybe Wednesday we'll make pizza, because I'm out of pizza dough balls, so I got to make pizza dough balls.